Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design your own website by using drag and drop options in a minute. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my computer and I have opened my Google Chrome. What you have to do, you have to come into search and you search for drag and drop website. Drag and drop website builder. You can click on this first one. After this, you can see there are different ones which are coming. You need to select this one from HubSpot. After clicking on this one, you can see we are going to be opening this HubSpot platform. Because I have already, also if you have an account, you should need to ensure that you have an account. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. What you need is your email. And also I have to click on get started for free. Because I have an account here, so I have to continue with Google and continue with my account, which is this one. After continuing with my account, I have to continue with it. You can see I have my domain which is already added. I have to continue with this account or create fresh accounts. Let me create a fresh account to show you everything how it is going. I have to select which kind or which category of the industry I'm working in. Let's say marketing. Are you the owner? You can also choose this one, no one describe my law. Here you have to add your name of your company. Let's say my company is Nomax TV. Yes, there's Nomax. Then I have to click next. How many people work at your company? You need to choose the number of people working in your company. Here you have to add your website. For instance, let's say Nomax TV online. If you don't have a website, you can tick this one, which means they will be offering you free domain name for you to use there. But I have to add the one so that it will be showing there. Online. So I have to click next. After clicking next, I want to build a business website. You need to choose the statement which describe you, or I want to build a personal website. Let's say it's a business website. So what is the current stage of your business? If you are exploring your ideas, or if you have already launched the businesses, you need to select one. Here they are asking you where you want your data to be hosted. You have to choose one, either Europe or United States. Let's say United States. Have to click next. After clicking next, you can see we are getting your account ready. I have to wait. Here they are bringing me to describe my business. Let's say this is the digital marketing service provider. To everyone. Let's say it's the description of my business. For you, you need to add the description of your business as well. Then I click next. What are your goals for this website? Are you attracting leads? Are you publishing blog, or are you selling products? So you need to choose one. For instance, let me say that I'm offering services. I have to click next. Select the style of your website. Is it minimalistic, modern, fresh, elegant, vibrant? Let's say modern. Or if I choose minimalistic, you can see how it will be showing here. Let's say it's modern. After this, I have to click. Also, you can even explore everything here. Let's say it's vibrant if it is one which is awesome. Okay, So let's finish. You can see it is now building layouts. Now they are telling you that you have to always check the generated content before publishing. As you can see, our layout is being designed. Also, if you come here and scroll down to this part, you can see now our layout is already designed. Let's try opening this website in a new tab and see preview of it. We can try to open in new tab and see how it will be looking like. Now you can see this is my website, transform your digital presence, get started. You can see where they are dragging and dropping it to the file to the contact page. Now you can be adding this, changing this address. It can be, it is about us. You can see this provider empowering businesses of all sizes. They have added some more adjustments. Now they have added also plans that I have to pay, that they have to pay for my services. You can see everything is here. You can see about me. You can see services, which is going to be drag and drop there. So, which means now my website is already designed. Also, it is very simple for the web page or for the service page like this one. If you need the service website like this one, it is going to be working very easily. So what I need to do, I need to come back here. For instance, let's try to view it in different form. Let's view it on over the tablet, how it will be looking like. You can see this is my website, how it will be looking like. It is so responsive. Let's view it on mobile and see. It is so responsive as well. After this, we have to come back. Let's click back and save. We can save our websites. After saving it, now we can publish. After publishing our websites, you can see I have now the link that I can use it. Do you have custom domain name? If you want to add a custom domain name, you can be adding it. For instance, the one I was saying, nomaxtv.online. If you don't have one, they are recommending you to buy one. Also, if you have one, you can be connecting the existing one. You can see they are telling you to enter the domain name for your primary sets, verification, hosting setup. You will be all connecting everything here. Now, if you want also to buy one, you can be clicking here and buy option. Also, they are powered by GoDaddy. You can find the domain name there on GoDaddy, then proceed. So if you don't want to buy a domain name, also you can be still having this link. For people to visit this platform, is that they should be using this link. Let's say don't show again. Updates. For instance, let's try putting this one or this link, using this link there. You can see this is my website, which is published. However, as you see at the top, I have the domain name, which is not the one. It's HubSpot-PageBuilder.com. It's like subdomain, which is for HubSpot Page Builder. You need to ensure that you buy the domain name or you connect your existing one to have your website, which is going to be live on your website, on your domain name. That will be fine, as people will be finding you on the specific domain name, and also there will be no challenges for confusing people around. Because if people are going to be searching you here, it may be difficult. However, if you have your domain name like nomaxtv.online and others, it's going to be easy for you for recognition and also for SEO ranking. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Nomax TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.